Hi, I'm Avni, Arnav's mom. Between both my boys, Arnav and Ayan, I have experience of, again, 7 years of RFL with 8 WIOs, 4 FLLs, 2 FTCs, 1 FGC. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And yes, I think not once there has been a thought of not doing it with RFL. It's always been RFL and only RFL. So when he started, it was too basic. I think he was almost 8 years old. For him, he was still exploring things. And the moment this started, the fascination was sparked. So it was like he didn't have, I don't know, he never thought of any other field or area except STEM. And yes, because being here, there's so much effort that they put in, there's so much work that goes into one competition, and it's like, I mean, they know they have to prioritize things. So for them, to meddle about little things is not an issue. Now they're looking at the bigger picture. They know what they have to focus on. They know what they have to do and what result they have to achieve. It's very focused effort. Both my kids have been very clear in their thoughts and ideas because of these regular competitions they've been a part of. Like, they see a problem, they know a problem, they know it can be solved, and they work on it. There's no haywire, or there's no getting scared about, or nothing like that. In the arena, I mean, it's so much energy, and it's like positive energy. Everyone's screaming RFL, every round, any team is doing. Ashwin sir is the loudest, okay? He's the loudest. And it's just so energizing, it's so empowering that you can see the whole RFL gang standing together and cheering for the team. I think that just boosts the confidence a lot. It's one of the best memories for me. Like, I'm seeing my child there on the arena and the whole gang cheering for them. It's like, unforgettable.
It's very
you
similar.
Speak about the arena experience.
So it's very similar to any sport played at a professional level. I think in my first year, we went to Kolkata for the WR competition, and that was literally in a professional sporting arena, sporting stadium, where we had the mats and game fields set up, and the stands were filled. So I think the first time I walked into such a field,
the majesty of the whole arena was quite amazing.
Yeah.